Hello everyone, welcome to ALM YouTube channel. Today I will show you our miniature linear guide. This linear guide is tiny and lightweight, suitable for miniature equipment. It is made of high-quality stainless steel. Other materials such as carbon steel, bearing steel are also available. The surface is smooth without burrs. Compared to competitors on the market, the friction for our linear guide is very small. We can produce both C, H, P, SP, or UP accuracy grade linear guide. This linear guide is interchangeable. The linear block or linear guide can be replaced separately to regain high precision. Our linear guides are available in a variety of sizes. The length, surface treatment can be customized according to your requirements. Welcome to inquiry.